All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about how to get paid more money hourly for all you hourly guys out there. How do you get more money? Two scenarios: going to a new job or trying to get a raise. One of the best ways you can get a raise is proving your worth to the shop that you work in. Hate to tell you that, but it's revenue. It's going to be how much money, how much you produce for that shop. Our shop here, I can pull a report and see what every technician billed, what every technician sold as far as parts. I can tell you what everybody in the shop has made for the boss. Obviously, he's got to pay for all this stuff, but the building. But my point of it is sometimes a lot of shops are a lot less transparent than that. So sometimes you gotta, track it yourself. Over the course of a month, track what you sell, what your final tickets are. They can look up what you actually made for the company because, all you gotta do is pull a report on their management system. But for you, you want to, track your hours, because despite you not wanting to work flat rate, that's how shops generate income, is they bill hours. You want to track your hours, see what you're doing, see how many hours you're there versus how many hours you bill. Also, your tickets, how much each ticket billed out. Look at your revenue for the shop. Their profit margins aren't your problem. What you're trying to sell them is, I'm a valuable asset to this company. I show up every day. I work my butt off for you. Here are my numbers for the last month. I think it's time we talk about a raise. My point. Same holds true if you're changing jobs. If you're going from this shop to another shop and you want to get more money at that shop, you're trying to get a job there for more money. Justify why you think you deserve that money. Same way. At this shop, I stand around a lot, but I still generate this amount of income for the shop. I try to, write up everything I can, or, tell the story of why you do what you do, how you do it, and your numbers. Numbers are king to business people. Hate to tell you that. You talk to a business person that doesn't know his numbers, he's probably not a good business person. If he can't tell you his P&L off the top of his head, probably not a good business person. I've known business people that can tell you, down to the hour, down to the 20 minutes, how much it costs to operate their business. The shop's not turning this much gross profit every hour, shops lose the money. Literally, business people, they care about numbers because, that's their job. And if they don't care about numbers, it's probably not a good place to work. But again, my point of this is to justify why you're asking for what you're asking for, whether it's to an existing boss or a new boss. Show them the numbers. Show them why you deserve that job or that money. I've said it many times and I'll say it again. Probably nobody's going to watch this part because it's at the end, but doesn't matter how you get paid. Hourly with bonus, salary, flat rate. What matters at the end of the week is how much your paycheck is. Get the most you can, guys and gals. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.